Okay, here are a few questions from the Chapter 8 study guide that a few of you have asked me to go over. The first one is number 5. Hexagon A has an area of 62 centimeters squared, and similar hexagon B has an area of 135 centimeters squared. If the perimeter of hexagon A is 64 centimeters, what's the perimeter of hexagon B? Okay, first thing that we need to do is we need to see what we have given to us. We have the area of hexagon A and the area of hexagon B. We have the perimeter of hexagon A, and we need to find the perimeter of hexagon B. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to set up the area ratio. Okay, and we're going to compare A to B. So we're going to have 60 to 135. Okay. First thing that we need to do is we need to reduce this ratio. So that's going to go to 12 and 27, which will go to 4 and 9. Okay, so 4/9 is our area ratio. If we want to find the perimeter of hexagon B, knowing the perimeter of hexagon A, we need to find the perimeter ratio. Okay, what we do for that is we take 4/9 and we're going to find the square root of the numerator and the denominator. So 2/3 is the perimeter ratio. The perimeter ratio is it's almost exactly the same thing as the scale factor or your similarity ratio. Okay, it's within the same dimension. So now we can set up a proportion. Sorry, my mom's calling. 2 to 3 equals, okay, so we have our perimeter of hexagon A, that's going to go in the numerator, and I'm just going to put a B there for the perimeter of hexagon B. So now we're just cross multiplying. 2B equals 64 times 3. Okay, 64 times 3 is 192. And 192 chopped in half is 96. So the perimeter of hexagon B is 96 centimeters. Okay, that right there is the final answer. The next question is number 13. This is asking how the two triangles are similar, if they are even similar to each other. Okay, this is very similar to one that was on your quiz. So we have there's really 3 right triangles here. Okay, we have the big one, we have a medium one, and the small one. Okay, for the big one, our hypotenuse is 20. Okay, now for the medium one, our short side is 8 and our long side is 16. And for our small one, our short leg is 4 and our longer leg is 8. Okay, so you should see that the medium and the small one have enough information for you to determine whether or not the triangles are similar. They have 2 side pairs and an angle pair in between. So we're going to just forget about the large triangle here, the big one. So now this possibility could be side angle side. So to make sure that it is in fact side angle side, we need to match our long sides and our short sides together to see if they are proportionate to each other or if their scale factor is the same. So we're going to match 16 to 8 and 8 to 4. Okay. One way to do this is to see if these two ratios simplify or reduce to be the same thing. 16 to 8 simplifies to the ratio 2 to 1, and 8 to 4 reduces to 2 to 1 as well. Okay, so these two side pairs have the same scale factor, so they are similar. Okay, The other option is for you to take 16 to 8 and 8 to 4 and to cross multiply. 8 times 8 is 64. 16 times 4 is also 64. Since the proportions equal, that means our sides are proportionate. Okay? So these two triangles, triangle DCA is similar to triangle ACB by side angle side similarity.